Guys, so excuse my appearance. I am currently playing a game of Senior Assassin. I am on the way to pick up the computer. I have to pump gas like this. Oh my god, that took so long! I'm gonna be late to the Apple Store. Okay, friends, we've got the computer. Now let's head home to unbox. Guys, the prophecy has officially been fulfilled. iJohno is back. Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a very exciting unboxing for me personally. Now, I know the computer sitting in front of me is not that new in terms of release dates, but today I'm unboxing the newest M4 Pro MacBook Pro. So this is the computer that I'm going to officially be using for college. So this should be lasting me for the next 4 to 40 years. It's very expensive, and I do want to be transparent with you guys about that. And I also have the Magic Keyboard with Touch ID. This is going to be for my desk setup in my bedroom, and I've been needing this for a while, so this is not really a college thing. And we're gonna start with the special unboxing. So this is the M4 Pro. This one comes with 48 gigabytes of unified memory, 2 terabytes of solid state. Yeah, let's open it up. Let's do it, guys! I want you guys to be the first to see it. It's beautiful. This is not quite a new design anymore. Apple did this redesign about 4 years ago now. So this is the 4th MacBook generation with this new redesign. Let's take this out of the box, see what else is in it. Beautiful, absolutely stunning. It doesn't have a smell. All right, what else do we have? We have some documentation. Let's see what we have in here. Let's see what we have in here when I've watched like 40 unboxings of this computer. Unfortunately, I don't think these MacBooks come with Apple stickers anymore, which is very disappointing for me personally, but it's okay, I guess.
Gold MacBook Air sticker.
So what's relatively new with these new MacBooks is they now use a MagSafe charger, which is reminiscent of the 2015 MacBook Pros and before. I wish I had a better camera setup, but this is the best I could do in a pinch. And here we have our charging brick, nothing new. I always like to take this off gently. If you don't know me, you're about to learn that I love to keep packaging as neatly as possible. I'm a little strange, guys, I'm a little strange. I can technically just like take this off like a wrapper. I haven't had a nice clean charging brick in a minute. You can replace this with an extension cable if you choose to buy one. I hope it's not dead. I kind of want to just like get into it. Oh, I need to take the freaking wrap off. All right, it's time for the best part in my opinion. This is absolutely stunning. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This looks just like those older MacBook Pros from around the time I was born. Like the 2007 MacBook Pros, like the titanium ones. I think that's what they were called. All right! Yeah! I'm like trying to like hide. I'm trying not to like be like all nerdy and like bring iJohno back. I'm trying to be like, you know, more chill, nonchalant, if you know what I'm talking about. You know, this is my new college computer. You know, it's not all that. You know, it's just a new computer. Okay, let's open it up. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. Ooh, cute background. See, how's the weather? Yes, welcome to Mac. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is the Magic Keyboard with Touch ID. These came out with the 2021 iMacs when they first got M1. And cute. Here is the braided charging cable. Love to see these. And it's USB-C, so I will be using it for my iPad all the time. And for some reason, these also come with documentation. Apple 1-year warranty, regulatory compliance. Okay. Don't care. So I previously had the original Magic Keyboard, which is still sitting at my desk right now, but this one is better for me because it has the Touch ID button here in the top corner, just like the MacBook does. So when I'm using my MacBook while it's closed in its clamshell mode, I will be able to unlock and use Apple Pay or whatever, whenever. So I wanted to take you guys through the official configuration that I went with. So first we're gonna go up here with education savings. That's the first step. Then we go to Mac, then we go to MacBook Pro. This is the one that I got. Got the M4 Pro, I got the higher configuration. 14 core CPU, 20 core GPU. What I did was I added on the 48 gigabytes of unified memory and 2 terabytes of SSD storage. That is the discounted price without tax and with the education discount. But you know what's paying for that? A full tuition scholarship. So, you know, it's, I mean, you know, you have trade-offs, you know? So if you're watching this video and you're gonna become a college student anytime soon, that is what my specific configuration will cost you. You can probably get away with less depending on what you're doing. So because I'm going to college for music and I'm gonna be there for the next 4 years while also editing 4K video basically all the time, I needed something that would be able to handle that for the next 4 years. So these are my two MacBooks as of now. I'm trading this one in to get credit towards this one. These are 5 years apart in generations. This one is the original M1 MacBook. This is actually my dad's old one, but we traded MacBooks when he upgraded. This is 1 terabyte SSD and 16 gigs of RAM. This lasted me a while and it has done its job, but it is time to finally move on. She's starting to stutter a little bit and I need something good for college. So yeah, over here, like I said before, 48 gigs of unified memory and 2 terabyte SSD. When you're transferring stuff from this MacBook to this MacBook, then I'm all set to go. To keep this video relatively short, thank you guys so much for watching my MacBook Pro unboxing. Subscribe for more college related videos because that's really what this was. It was really just like an unboxing my college computer video. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time with another new video. Peace out. I can't reach you.